dream of the small family farm rings true on this beautiful piece of property in the eastern Pajaro Valley foothills. Adjacent to Spring Hills Golf Course, this expansive 51-plus acre property boasts over 5 acres of mature premium varietal grapevines, 8-plus acres of mature northern Italian varietal olive trees, and multiple spring-fed lakes of over 2.5 acres each. On the knoll, you'll find 2 single-level homes with numerous outbuildings, extensive infrastructure, and a spacious hay barn with cattle stalls, corrals, and access to the grazing lands. In these gorgeous coastal hills, you have abundant water, spacious land, and all that you need to create your own family legacy. We welcome you to 211 Smith Road.